And welcome to Postbag 21 with a bit of TV repair thrown in at the end. Well, not many packages from Postbag today. Well, you'll see where this one comes from. Giveaways on the packet. And we have several items. Sorry about the camera, it's the autofocus is mucking about, causing those blips. It's really annoying. And we have 3 packets here. 2 packets are the same, 1 packet different. Basically, we have 2 packets of one type of op-amp, a second packet of 50 of a different type of op-amp, and now we have some 5-volt relays, as I have a HF radio and I want to replace 2 relays in the filtering network to see if it's causing a loss of RF power. So that's the things from RS. Quick look here. This is one of the op-amps. The one I'm using is the LM2904, and the reason I picked it was it has a supply range of 3 to 36 volts. Use I'm going to give it only has a 5-volt supply, and lots of the op-amps I have in my supply of op-amps don't run down to 3 volts. So I bought this one and the following one to have a play with. This is the second op-amp I bought. I got 40 of the first one, and I think 50 of this one. And again, but the important bit is the wide power supply voltage range. From a single supply, it will run down to 3 volts. So again, it will be very happy running at 5 volts. Well, these are the relays. It says low signal relay, which is surprising, as the radio runs 100 watts of RF through them, which is one of the reasons why I thought that there's a possibility of the relay contacts burning, and hence the reason that I'm losing power on the one band is switched by 2 relays. It's a 12 volt version, and there's not really a lot of interest to see. It's just a 12 volt single pole relay. It's going to be interesting taking the radio apart and extracting 2 of these and fitting the 2 new replacements, and then hopefully full power should be restored on the 80 meter band. Well, it's a package I got from eBay, and it was very cheap, £2, £2, whatever that is in euros and dollars, no idea. And I got it because I was given a TV, and the TV had a very weird fault, and it's a 37-inch LCD, and this chip is meant to fix the fault. And so this is what the chip looks like in the packet. Just about to make it out, AS15-P, and this is the fault that you see when the TV is running, and hopefully fitting this chip should fix it. Well, this is the chip that was in the packet. It's a 14+1 channel voltage buffers for TFT LCDs. Now, don't ask me what it does, but it's got quite a high slew rate. Its gain product bandwidth is reasonably good. You know, the signal will be 3 dB down at 2 megahertz, but it all sounds good. And as it says, it's a channel voltage buffer that buffers the reference voltage for gamma correction. And I'm assuming, as what I've seen on YouTube and things like that, all those funny colours were part of the gamma correction going wrong. And also, when you put your finger on the chip, it was extremely hot. And there is a look at the inside of it. Loads of buffer amplifiers. It's about all there is to it. And if you look at there, we'll go past all the gobbledygook down the bottom. I'm going to quickly rotate around that. And as you can see, there's a reference voltage coming in and a whole mass of voltage dividers being fed into there, being buffered, and out they go. And I assume that as that's a demo circuit, that's roughly what it does on the screen. But I thought I'd change it, see what happens. Here's where the board lives, on the back of the telly. Didn't take too many pictures, but now we're seeing the I've removed the chip. I forgot to video that bit, and here I am putting it on. Well, I'll speed this up because you won't want to watch this in real time, and I'll put some light background music to go with it. And we'll just give it a light clean with some IPA and a bit of blue cloth because someone nicked my toothbrush, and so it looks pretty. Well, here's the TV fixed, and you know, if you like my channel, you know, you can always subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll catch you on the next one. You know, pretty pictures, pretty women, what more can you ask for?